A brilliant atmosphere here at the Gongshu Canal Sports Park Stadium, and we in the commentary box are delighted to be bringing to you the live action between China and England. This is Arun Venugopal, and I have the pleasure of introducing alongside me Siddharth Pandey. A very, very warm welcome to you. And the League of the Best unleashes another exciting contest between China and England. China in their red outfit with a smattering of yellow will push from left to right, and England in their charismatic jade and black will be moving in from right to left.
Yeah, it's a good 5 minutes for China, honestly. Apart from that big attempt that came the way of Darcy Bourne, China have settled in really quickly here. Elodie, Picard and Soju. Oh!
What a ball! An opportunity! And how did she miss that? Zhang Ying only had the goalkeeper to beat. And that shot just ballooned off target.
That just went right through Olivia Hamilton.
It's a clean halt. And it's a good strike. And China will open the account. They have been knocking on the doors. They have been threatening to score. And come at the opportunity. China go 1-0 up at the start of the second quarter. And the alarm bells that were ringing for England have grown even louder as China finally sees a penalty corner opportunity. And I think it's come from Zhang Ying, has it? We will have confirmation.
I think it's the final touch has come from Kai Wenqian. You can see she... Oh, no, it's, yeah, gone straight in, actually.
It's once again the fullback, Rosemary Hope, who was the guilty party. She had, in fact, taken the drag flick a little earlier. And China will get the injection from Zhu Meirong. It's a clean hold. It's coming from the first battery. The danger hasn't been staved off yet, and it was almost goal number 2 for China. Not too far away from the far post.
To having doubled the lead. Look at the space for Chen Yi. What a goal this is. Chen Yi with the assist. China get their second. That was crafted beautifully.
And look at that, an excellent passage of play and a release just at the right moment. Very selflessly done. Didn't go for the glory shot. Chen Yi played the forward who was unmarked. It was Zhang Ying who just had to bury the goal in the backboard. And there is a penalty corner to contend with. And it's a good bit of variation. And England will be despondent as China have brought up their third goal. And what a second quarter it has been. And it is He Jiangxin of China who has scored their third goal, much to the delight of their adoring home crowd. They still have a long corner. Now inside the circle, China looking for goal number 4, unleashes the backhander. Does Zhong Jiaqi.
Just come back to that as China look to craft another attack.
Wow, brilliant here from China. And that brilliance will be rewarded with goal number 4. And it looks like it is, in fact, one of their stars from the recently concluded Women's Asian Champions Trophy. We will have confirmation, however. It is, in fact, Chen Yuzhun, if I'm not mistaken. But it was, like Siddharth rightly mentioned, a carefully crafted team goal.
Yeah, it was a very well-crafted team goal, I have to say. Chen Yuzhun, you're absolutely right about that. It is her. And, yeah, did not complicate matters. Chen Yuzhun had it on her backhand, flicked it from the backhand, and was just able to beat Miriam Pritchard with that finish, Chen Yuzhun. But it's come from that pressing again, where China have been relentless today.
And in a little under 20 seconds, England's misery will be complete as far as this encounter is concerned. But China will look back with a lot of pride on a performance that's been as clinical as it has been tactically polished. And they have not skipped a beat as they go on to complete a famous win And in this encounter, for the second time in the Hangzhou phase of the FIS Pro League, China have trounced England, and it has been a beating and some, as China unleash all their artillery and complete a 4-0 victory over England. A victory that will not just leave the crowd delighted for its result, but also for the manner in which it was accomplished. It was planned, executed, and delivered to perfection. At the end of this fixture, China complete a 4-0 win over England.